Hi everybody, this is Bob from Electric Bike Technologies and Liberty Trike. I'm sitting here on a nice orange Liberty Trike. It's brand spanking new, and a lot of people have been asking us about the walk function. And there's something that you really need to know about the walk function. It's really pretty easy. So, you turn on your trike. Over here you have your controls. You have your up, your down, your on and off. And right underneath there's a little button. Now the trike must be on, the brake must be off. All you do is you press that button and you hold it in and the trike will go. You'll notice I am not using the throttle and I am not pedaling with my feet. You must hold the button though in order to keep it going. And you'll see it goes at different speeds. It's around anywhere between 1 and 1.4 miles an hour. This one goes 0.9 to 1. If you have questions or problems, please feel free to call us. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.